You've just imported data into Excel and nothing works. Sorting is broken, and VLOOKUP is giving you nothing but errors. Why? The problem is often invisible extra spaces. They creep into your data and make it impossible to work with. To Excel, John Doe with 1 space and John Doe with 2 spaces are completely different. The thought of fixing thousands of rows manually is defeating. But what if I told you that you could clean your entire dataset in under 60 seconds with no formulas needed? Let's fix it. We're going to use a powerful tool that's already in Excel, Find and Replace. First, highlight the column or cells you want to clean up. This is important so you don't accidentally change other data. Now press Ctrl+H to open the Find and Replace window. In the Find What box, hit your spacebar twice. We're telling Excel to find every double space. In the Replace With box, hit the spacebar just once. We'll swap every double space with a single space. Now, click the Replace All button, and just like that, Excel tells you how many replacements it made. Your data is already cleaner. But what if some cells had 3 or 4 spaces? The first pass only turned them into double spaces. Here's the pro tip, just click Replace All again. Keep clicking it until Excel says, we couldn't find anything to replace. That's your confirmation that every extra space between words is gone. This method is incredibly fast, and now your data is consistent. If this trick just saved you a ton of time, hit that subscribe button. I share quick Excel tips like this all the time.